guys have to sit. Tuk-tuk. Sit. Minum, minum, minum. Anyways, yeah, thank you guys for coming, man. I haven't been to Indonesia in a long, long time, so I appreciate you guys coming. And yeah, sound check, huh? What do you guys want to hear? Huh? Remedy? Game is pointless when the safety's on. Are you willing to take this when death can't even take its toll? Sneak peek. Make your move. Make your move. Yeah, it's on the 18th, right? Yeah, man, it's gonna be it's gonna be good. It's different. It's very different than the stuff that I usually make. So the music videos, we kill each other in the music videos. So it's gonna be interesting. Okay. How about you guys like the song? Baby, 알고 싶어 너의 영혼이 어떤 색깔인지 넌 어디서 왔니 너의 눈에는 너만 like a baby and it's alright 원물을 태어나 너 let's talk all night yeah. Man like a baby and it's alright 원물을 태어나 너 let's talk all night that body oh baby 난 너무 답답해 우리 서로 알아듣지 못해 난 우리 때문에 와도 필요해 얼굴만 이렇게 꼈을 때 그냥 세상으로 내리 한강을 걸어 내 공연처럼 내 위를 벗어나줘 내 셀카 찍어 포토 흘리면 안돼 no no 팬들이 반대 어머 여행을 가자고 생각은 가득가에 설레 알지 못해 사진 나도 몰려 같이 난 수분해 너만 내 밑에 빠져나오게 줄게 네 품속에 죽을래 행복하면 울래 Oh baby you the best 줘 나한테 누워서 생각하고 모두 지날 때 그녀는 항상 Baby 알고 싶어 너의 영혼 어떤 색깔인지 넌 어디서 왔니 너의 Not like it baby it's alright 원물을 태어나 Let's talk all night yeah. Not like it baby it's alright 원물을 태어나 Let's talk all night That body talk Got some special surprises for you guys too. I'm gonna be singing kinda dying with it. Special guest. So you guys look yeah, alright. No, but yeah, I mean Indonesia's been very, very welcoming. I've met a lot of great people. I did the Boy Williams. Very, very good guy. I like him. He's super chill. I like his team. His brother are good people. Yeah, and then yeah, man, it's been nice. Been very supportive, very welcoming. I've been learning a lot about the culture. Anjay. And there's some other words too, I'm not gonna say it.
other shit too. But anyways, yeah, this next song. Let's go. Like this one?
Love is the sweetest sound. Making my heart just bounce. Your touch, I write it down. So high I can't come down. It's hopeless to notice. Baby, you're like a siren. And you gave me faith. Oh, yeah, the answer all my problems solved. Life with you is so beautiful. I won't trade away. I was lost but found my purpose now. I'm glad you're keeping me around. I won't trade it away. Whatever I'm up or down, or no crown, but the same way you did us yesterday. Whether I'm rich or poor, just call me yours. Love me the same way you did us yesterday.
Great singers in Jakarta. Anyways, I like that too. Huh? What she said? Hey, is it? Aku cinta kamu. Is that what you said? Nice. Saya salah. Sayang kah? Oh, sana ya? I know. Yes, I know. That's why I said it. Anyways, let's go.
As I drive down, ooh, if you wanna die real soon, I just wanna love you like I do. 'Cause I never had someone like you. Ain't nobody got this love from me, girl. Ain't nobody, baby. All I need is love. I just wanna run away with you. Such a mix of you driving me crazy. Got you go by every day, man. Tryna tell you that I go with you, man. I don't know, I should love you, baby. Mayday. Ooh, if you wanna die real soon, I just wanna love you like I do. 'Cause I know that someone like you. Ain't nobody got this love from me, ain't nobody, baby. All I need is love. I just wanna run away with you.
Okay. What else you guys want to hear?
Solo? 생각했으니까 너를 너무해 제발
서로에게 말해 서로에게 말해
Sing.
서로에게 말해 서로에게 말해 Yeah, I'm like, ooh, you got me like, ooh.
You guys should do my backup singers. Wow. I should have you all on stage and you can just sing. It's like 100 people just. Anyways, you guys like rap too? Anjay, okay.
Yeah. 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 Look, where the party at? Females only go where the party at. Money in the fame, money dollar then. I seen where the female on the starter key. Yeah, yeah. Once upon a time I was broke. Used to see me as a joke. Now they see me as a goat. Now that mean I'm plus the gold. While you bros acting like hoes. So I got them by the throat. I said I got them by the throat. That's how I'm a little bit, they call me boss. Check on me down, that's how she not in the gossip. But they be having my dick in their mouth, so I let them close it. I'm maybe be moving like Moses. I fuck these idols on rap, but don't really care for them like I'm the Foster. Yeah, that I got some beef on your teeth, your back on over your Boston. Now down to joint team, now look at that sunsu all at one. Yes, sir. Yeah, now down to joint team, now look at that sunsu all at one. Yeah, J Park is never done. Asian boy, I put that mic down, that's what they said. Tattoo on me on their heart, said that's what they said. So I pop them back on mine, yeah, that's what they said. With me, I never gave a fuck about what they said. Look at me there, look at me there, call me Mr. Show and prove better. Normal rapper motherfuckers don't know what to do. Look at me now, call me Mr. Show and prove better. Normal rapper motherfuckers don't know what to do, yeah. We up, and we up, and we up. So stay down, so stay down, so stay down. Cause we up, and we up, and we up. So stay down. The snakes, watch out for the snakes. Yeah. The snakes, they be switching up, they can't get enough. No, I never been a gangster, but I get respected up. Go your mom and being challenged at the jersey, it's your mom. New guy, it's your dog, I'm a fucking woman on me, yeah. Okay. Still got a couple minutes. Let's do it. Okay. Jakarta. The song that I wrote. It goes. Do you wanna ride with me? Take you on another sea. Baby, we can sail away. Live in the ocean, feel emotion. Said I need to know, baby. I said I need to know, baby. Yes, sir. I know you got a fat ass. I know I love a fat ass. I keep you vibing on the dance. Girl, I really don't know how you did it, little baby. I can't figure it out. I just wanna show you this time, yeah. Do you wanna ride on the waves tonight? Watching me. Okay, I know we need. You know that's a joke. It's not the deepest lyrics I ever wrote. Talking about the meme. Anyways, I appreciate that. Yeah, thank you. Terima kasih. Appreciate that.